You guys are playing nice. Hello? What is that? Angyang? Yeah, sunglasses. What's that? A yellow umbrella. Usan. What's this? A pair of red shoes. Red shoes. Kudu. Kudu shoes. This is the best one, isn't it?
Biangi.
Yes. Biangi. How do you say it in English? It's an airplane. That's right. What's this?
A toy.
Autobike, a motorcycle. Yeah. Hey Sam, how old are you?
A Sammy.
You're Sammy? And how old are you?
A bird.
You're 4. Awesome.
Okay.